description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans. It's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today, we've got something from South Korea. You might say, Ramen Raider. I've seen these in the United States. Well, yeah, there is a Nongshim in the United States as well as South Korea. And the ones you'll see here are made in the United States. But this one was made in South Korea. K-pop demon hunters Mira Shin Ramyun Spicy Queen. So I had a rude awakening this week, and so as it turns out, Nongshim USA came out with Shin cups in two different ways. So like there's a US one that says Spicy Queen, right? There's also one that does not, but it just says Mira on it. They do that, both there's different ones. And oops. I made a little mess. But oh, hold up. You need your sachet on there. But the deal is they look almost identical except for some print on them. I ordered a set of 3 of them from South Korea. They have the fancy, like there's the Hamburger Queen and there's the Spicy Queen and the Star one. Like the last one I did from South Korea had a little star like fish cake in it, right? Well, the one from the US just tasted like Shin, and that's because it is just a Shin cup. But then there's also a version that's not just a Shin cup, and it has, I'm guessing it has those in it. 3 minutes. So that's kind of irritating. But they came out at the same time, and a fellow reviewer, friend of mine, goes by the name of Noodle Journey. If you haven't checked out his stuff, you oughta. But you still have to check out my stuff too. But yeah, he went and he got 3 6-packs of it, and he thought that, oh well, it's gonna be the fancy ones. Nope. And he's like, well, it's a good thing I like Shin, but that really sucks. I'm like, it does. It's like, why would you do? Oh, so you make people buy twice as much. I don't know. But it's funny. It's funny. It's like, why would you come out with 2 versions? Ones that are just Shin and ones that are just that. My guess is because there was some kind of overlap with when it happened. Like, you can go to the store and get a 4-pack of Shin pack, and they're just Shin Ramyun, but they have pictures of all the characters on it. Or you could do that with the Tumba and you get like all the boy band ones. Anyways, so this is the Korean one. I'll be doing the US one, which again will just be Shin soon. And yeah. And then finally, I'll do the 3 varieties for the Zoe cups. So there's the Zoe Shin cup, there's the Zoe USA Hamburger Queen or whatever it's called, and there's the Korean Zoe cup. I might do those boom, boom, boom in quick succession just to get, yeah. I might do the other one of these tomorrow, and then I'll do all 3 Zoes over, yeah. So I don't know, not like incredibly enthused. It's like, okay, it's got K-pop demon hunter junk on it. I know there's people that like lose their freaking mind when I tell them that it's like a Korean version of, or not even, it's just like a version, it's like Frozen. it's not like Frozen. No, don't tell us, no. It's like, you have somebody who has a secret ability. They try to keep it hidden. Then they go through stuff. They find affirmation and friendship and love. And yeah, it's the same freaking tired storyline, fairy tale crap. But, whatever. It's a kid's movie. People need to remember that, too. It's really not an adult film. But I'll tell you, the adult people are going gaga over it, and it's really ridiculous. One of those days. I went, got my daughter on the bus, and then I had to come back and use the bathroom. And then I went out again, and I was supposed to bring something to an Amazon return, and I had left that when I had come back. And so I had to come back to get that, and then I went out walking and got all my stuff done. It was ridiculous. Quite a day, but now here I am with you doing my reviews, and you like that, and that's all right. I appreciate that you enjoy that so much. This doesn't seem very well hydrated. I'm giving it a thorough stir. And I wonder if it's going to be extra spicy? I don't know. I guess we'll find out. Yeah, I'm not feeling all that confident on the hydration for this. Alright. Broth. Very bitter. The back end on this stuff is so bitter. What are those? Are that the spicy bits? I don't know. It tastes like Shin. It tastes like extra spicy Shin. Yeah. I just want them to come out. You know what? And this really kind of irks me. So Nongshim did make my top 10 instant noodles, because now they've got a budai chigai again, and that it's called just budai ramen, but it's just like K-Army stew, and it's like super good. And the Nongshim guy that kind of creepily goes on Reddit, it's like some PR dude. Anyways, he was like, "Hey, we made the list. Nobody really talks about this product." It's like, dude, market it. That will be like, just say something about K-Army and people will get it and be stoked, because that was like one of the most popular new things that Nongshim had for a long time. Everybody I knew was talking about it. I knew people who were going out and getting K-Army cups all the time, and that was like their favorite Ramyun. And then it disappeared. I'm guessing because they couldn't source an ingredient for it? I don't know, but I don't know. And but that guy or lady, I don't know, be like, "Huh, nobody talks about this stuff. You should check it out, though." It's like, dude, no, really. Let me tell you what, it's freaking knock your socks off good. I was very impressed. It has that wonderful budai chikai flavor. And you got 5 stars. It's on the top 10 list. Go find it. I mean, you should maybe find a better PR guy if that roves around Reddit acting weird. Well, thanks for watching. Yeah, just not so into this one. But there'll be more to see soon. This is Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.